Hey guys,
what up?
what's going on?
And you guys,
Today we are going to be throwing my sister's doll. Hey, where's your doll? Okay,
okay,
it's over there. See it? She doesn't take care of her stuff, so okay.
Caleb, make them watch me throw one of those things and watch me plus me.
All right, there's the pair right there, right there, right there. Hey! Good. Alright, you want to see me throw the pair? Oh, you did some pretty good damage to it. Watch me, ready? Talk about some damage right there, boy. That's what I did. Let's do this one too. I think it actually feels good throwing pairs. See that? Bam! Freaking kick this box. I'm feeling good today. What are you gonna do, box? Alright, tonight you wanna look in the chicken coop? So, after we come over here to the chicken coop, we are gonna throw my sister's doll. Sarah, stay away, boy. Look in here. Yeah, I'm a little scared of roosters because they'll spur the freak out of you. You can search it up on Google, whatever you have. And just kicking the freak out of this box. Yeah, they have spurs that will hurt you. Oh no, look, right when I'm freaking vlogging. There's a freaking storm. Huh? It looks like we're gonna have to wait to throw this doll. Hurry, Tilly, we're gonna throw this doll. I guess we're not gonna have to wait. So I get hurt. Come on, Tilly. It's raining. A little bit. You feel it? All right, hey, take the doll. We gotta hurry. Just doing the daily walk. Like nothing's wrong. Oh, no, Tilly, it's not subscribe. Oh yeah, stay tuned. And Tilly, we're supposed to say that at the end of the video. Don't hit me. Yeah, Tilly, hey, you're supposed to say like and subscribe at the end of the video. Okay? I'll tell you when to say that. Okay. Bye, young puppy. You guys want to see my puppy?
Yeah.
Let's go over there real quick. Hurry.
And we didn't just now find him. A long time ago, we found him out Walmart, and they told you 12 times.
Yep. So. Oh no! Dang, puppy. You could have just got crushed. See that? Someone cut that part off. That's bad. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with that because I'm not gonna die today. Hurry, all right, hey. Bye, puppy. Hey, Milo. Milo. Hey, Milo. Oh, hey, buddy. Oh, you're such a cute puppy, but I gotta go. Hurry, Tilly. Well, that's my puppy. That's my boy. Back there. Stop barking, please. Barking. You don't have to get a pair. Hurry. Oh shoot, it's raining bad. Hey, my phone's waterproof. I have the iPhone 7. Black, not the red. My brother has the red, so. No, we gotta hurry. Look, it's raining. Hopefully a raindrop hits the camera. Oh. You guys can see my shirt, can't you? It's kind of sprinkling. Hey, my phone's waterproof, so who gives? Alright, here. Give me the doll. Alright, hurry. We gotta go out there, Tinley. Shoot, I think I just broke it like doing that. Alright. Uh-oh, it's starting to get a little too bad. Alright, here we go. Yeah, yeet! Well, I mean, I was gonna throw my sister's doll. Because I made a video. Well, yeah, I made a video before this, and it got messed up. Because we're savage. Sick. Bro. Just a storm. It's not like it's acid rain. Oh, there it goes. Hit my camera. Yeah. All right. We better go. By the way, I am at my grandma's house.
And guess what, you guys?
I'm gonna have to wait until it starts storming, cause I mean,
You guys and these are my.
it's gonna be terrible.
You guys, these are my Grammys, and I wear them.
Tinley, you know what those are?
What?
Don't touch those.
I wear them.
No, you don't.
What do I wear?
So,
I only told you 12 times. The first dress that you put on is still your best find. We've been sitting in this dressing room for
David, stop.
need a break.
YouTube.
Yeah.
To yourself?
Yes.
To
Then people can watch the video. Hey, I wouldn't be talking, retard. Whoa, what just happened to my camera? That is not... Oh, there we go. Oh, dang, guys. As you can see. Oh, let's turn that upside down. Oh, good. Well, guys, like and subscribe.